Today I want to go through the best affiliate programs for beginners without a website. So you don't necessarily know much about marketing, you kind of just are getting into the affiliate marketing game, and you want to be able to promote and sell some products and services of some solid, good companies that will pay you out, that have been in business for years and years, and that are actually good companies with good, solid products and services that you can offer. So I want to go through this because I think a lot of the times I go through more advanced information, I go through more advanced email marketing, digital marketing, copywriting, funnel design, information and education, and I need to go and help a lot of the people who are just getting started, or even people who aren't just getting started, but people who are just struggling and kind of in the more beginning stages of their business and of their digital marketing journey. So I want to go through right now and just walk you through some of the best performing affiliate programs, affiliate program websites, and ways you can make money online without a website, without a huge following, and without really having, a lot of the sales process in place, follow-up process in place. Don't get me wrong. As you know me, I always preach, you need to have a sales process in place. You need to have a follow-up process in place. You need to have a website. You need to have these things. But if you're just beginning, you can make money online. It's just going to be a little bit harder. So I'm just going to go through some of these different programs that you can make some good money off of without having a lot of technical skill or without setting up all these different marketing tools and things. Number one is Shopify. Shopify has been one of the largest game changers in the entire industry of digital marketing. With Shopify, it brought along e-commerce, and e-commerce, if you've been online for any amount of time, you know that e-commerce has absolutely taken off and exploded. Which is why, if you want to, and you're a beginner and you want to make some money, you want to refer people a very useful tool for selling any kind of digital product and services online, you can sign up for Shopify, use Shopify, and become an affiliate for Shopify, and give it as suggestions to marketers, to people you know, to people who are in the digital marketing space, who want an e-commerce store, who want to really just sell their own product and services instead of being an affiliate. You can recommend them Shopify, and it's a really, really, really good tool for what its purpose is, and it's going to perform well for digital marketers. It is absolutely amazing. Shopify has scaled to be one of the largest digital marketing companies in the world. So I think when you refer people to it and they use it, they're going to stick and they're going to absolutely actually like it and love it. Number two is Amazon affiliates. You can actually become an affiliate for Amazon products. So when your friends or family or anyone you know wants to buy different services or different products from Amazon, like everyone does, everyone buys off of Amazon, you can actually be an affiliate and send them your affiliate link for any product or service basically listed on Amazon and get a commission cut for referring them that. So if you know someone who buys regularly from Amazon and you want to say, hey, I know you buy dog toys a lot, here's a really good company that sells really good quality dog toys that my dog loves, here's my Amazon affiliate link, or here's my Amazon link to check out the toy. They buy it, you get a commission. So it's a very friendly, non-salesy way to sell products and services and get a commission off of it from a very reliable source, Amazon. So Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliates is really a great place to work with if you really, really want a very low competitor, easy way to recommend different products and different items for people to buy from that they already do, but just use your affiliate link and just use the link you have and give to them. So becoming an Amazon affiliate is also really a highly recommended option too. Thirdly, I'm going to recommend really any other affiliate program out there, as long as you focus on how the product or service you're being an affiliate for actually helps people and are suggesting the use of this product or service for the people who actually need and want it. So again, if you're barking up the wrong tree, if you're telling people who are in digital marketing, hey, you really should, because you're an affiliate, for example, a direct mail company, or they tell people and show people how to get more sales through direct mail. Usually, the digital marketing space has no interest in using direct mail, so that's not a product or service they would want. Now, if you're trying to sell to people in the digital marketing space, you have a really good autoresponder you're an affiliate for. You have a really good CRM you're an affiliate for, or a digital service that you're an affiliate for that you think people could use and would love. Great. Now you should offer them your digital marketing service, because they're in digital marketing. They're way more likely to be interested in your product and services because it's in the area of interest they have. So make sure the product and services you are offering as an affiliate match up directly with the needs and wants of the audience you are speaking with or working with or messaging with. Because if that correlation is not met, even as a beginner, you're going to really, really, really amazingly struggle a lot, because you're not actually selling people, the right things they actually want and need. So that's why you need to make sure what you're offering is in unison with the audience that actually wants it. And if you're offering people things they actually want, that'll actually help them, that they're interested in, they're going to be way more likely to buy and way more likely to actually want to work with you. Well, that's just my take on some amazing affiliate programs that you can join and become a part of. All links in the description to join a couple of these that you can choose from, whatever you wish. So you can actually decide, which affiliate program makes sense for you and which one do you think you're going to have an easy time selling and using. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in another video very soon.